passing the time. You know, when you are proper a housewife, you don't have any work limited. You have whole day. I was not working, so at them I started. But now I'm a working woman, so now I don't have proper time to work on my YouTube channel.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, before, did you join any coaching center? Did you join any institute for your speaking English?
Yeah, if when I was studying in a 10th class, at that time I get a 3 months coaching classes to speak this language. But after that, after 10th, I didn't take any classes to learn speak in this language. And after the 10th, I got that I have interest in that language. And day after day, and after when I was watching any podcast, any movies in English, so I love to watch this. So that's how I have interest in that language. So.
Yes. And ma'am,
Hmm.
you in a coaching center right now. If you have a smartphone, you can learn this language. And what do you think
Hmm.
about this? Is there need to go anywhere for learning this language?
No, I don't think so. If we have a smartphone, if we have a YouTube, if now we have so many applications that we can do we can do our English practicing at home also. We just need to have a good internet in our home, so we can do this. We can learn this language at home also. Because if you want to learn any grammatical parts, you can watch so many YouTube videos available in YouTube also, right? If you want to practice your English speaking journey, so we have so many applications. You can talk in audio or video, both of you want, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. Actually, and ma'am,
Hmm.
you are using this application, Skype application. But apart from Skype application, what kind of application do you use for improving your English skill?
Mr. Shantanu, as I told you, I don't have proper time to give this language. Before that, I was using Hybro app. Uh, then I can talk in audio call. But when I shifted my habit, that before that I was afraid when I was doing my audio calls. But now I am not afraid to make our video calls with different people. Now I have shifted my speaking part. So right now I'm using only Skype links, because there I see there are lots of people in our group, so they also want to speak this language, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I also
Hmm.
I used to use many applications, Hybro, CV, Excellency, this kind of application I used to use. But right now also I
Hmm.
don't use. I use this application Skype. Yeah, and using
Hmm.
this application, I can talk to another people with video call as well as also audio call. Yeah, and now this application is very good
Yeah.
for improving my English skill.
Yeah, that's why I love this application, because by this application I can say that only this is the way I am improving my English.
Hello,
Yeah, I'm audible now?
hello.
Yeah, I'm not audible.
Yes, yes. Right now there is a network problem maybe. All right.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I ask one question to you. I am asking you one question. You have been learning this language for a long time, and right now, do you teach? I noticed that many YouTubers they are learning this language for a long time, 1 year or 2 years. Right now, also they are also learning this language as well as also they have been running their YouTube channel, and after
Hmm.
that also they are teaching. Right now, do you teach?
Yeah, so the same thing I just applied on my thing. I don't have proper time. I can say one thing. If I have a time, just definitely I just want to running my YouTube channel also in a good way also. But I have to I have to settle. Okay, either in a week if I am uploading 3 videos, so that is enough for me. Yeah, but I have to make a schedule. So that's how I'm creating a good schedule for my YouTube channel also. Right?
Ma'am, do you watch the YouTube video in English?
Yeah, the most of the time right now I'm watching English conversations video, and right now I am watching more Priya conversations video because I like her video, and so many people's I'm watching right now.
Yes, I also watch whenever I get free time. I watch the YouTube video, and I follow so many YouTubers. But when I watch the YouTube video, and at that time I can understand properly. There is no problem. And at that time I was thinking, yeah, I will be able to speak English as a like YouTuber. But when start speaking, that time also I get stuck. Yeah, and I have been facing this problem.
Hmm. So we both of have this same problem in our head. I think we will speak this language until we will not able to fluent. We have this problem also, right?
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you
Hmm.
have one kid, and does he go to school English medium?
No, now he is in an auto. Now he is only 2 years old. Now he is in his nanny home.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, in your house, at your house, you are also speaking English. You are learning this language. And apart from you, is there any person who is speaking English
No,
at your
there is
house?
no one who there is no one speaking in English. If when I try to speak in English, so they always say to me, "Don't show me that you are learning this language. Just speak with yourself, not speak with myself." Because
No,
they have a
actually,
problem.
yes, yes. But for your kid, you have to make a good English environment at house. Yeah, only for your kid.
Yeah, definitely. I'll try to make him English. I want to give him an English environment. Yeah, but now he is in 2 years, and now mostly he stay in his nanny home. So the environment we have in the local language. In Hindi, we have a local language. So mostly he was learning this language. But yeah, when he will came back, he will come with me. So I will try to make him a good English learner.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Actually, I actually listening and speaking is the most important part. Yeah, if you talk with your kids every single day, and they also see listen. After that, also one day they will speak. Yeah, but if you don't make a good environment at your house, it is also not good for your kid. Yeah, for English language,
Hmm.
always you have to make a good environment. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely. I have to make a good English environment for him also. But you understand that I am also working, my husband also working, and he always stays with his nanny's home. So my mother and father, they both are speak Hindi language. So he knows every sentences in Hindi. If I will, if I will force him to learn this language, so maybe he will not accept this language, right? Because whole the time he was listening Hindi language. So now I'm not forcing him. But day when he will young, he will go schools. At that time, I will try to teach him English, small sentences. I will try to him teach him.
yes, yes, definitely. And ma'am, I am asking one question to you. Nowadays, I notice that most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. But what is the reason? What do you think?
Because nowadays, Mr. Shantanu, I can say that all the people,
Hello.
all the person, like I'm also parents. Yeah, I'm audible. I'm audible, Mr. Shantanu. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Mr. Yeah, Shantanu. Actually, I'm also a parent. If I want to send him a good English environment, so maybe now the generation are going very high fi. If we know English, so it can be chalega. If my children are not speaking this language, maybe in future they can't survive in this world, right? So just because of to survive him in a easily way, so just we want to give him an English environment, right?
Yes, yes. And ma'am, do you like reading English newspaper? Do you like reading English storybook for improving your vocabulary skill?
I love to watch. I love to read stories, but it comes to like I'm not the person who can read all the time. If I will read, I will start reading. I will start. I will feel sleepy at that time.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I love listening. I can listen more and more.
Yes, I also don't like. I don't like reading. Yeah, I don't like reading. That's why also, uh, I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. Yeah, while speaking, I get stuck. Lack of vocabulary. I don't like
Mm.
reading. Whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video and with subtitle. And at that time also I read. Yeah.
Yeah, like it ups to us like how we are learning by reading, by listening, and by watching. So like, right?
Yes. Ma'am, you are learning this language about 1 year. I am also learning this language about 1 year. But ma'am, I am asking one question to you. What do you think? What is the most important part for speaking English? I know to learn any language, always you have to follow 4 rules: LS, RW, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. 4 things are very important. And another part is important. think in English also is very important. But what do you think? What is the most important part for speaking English?
Like if I'm talking about the most important part is like basic grammar you should know, because if I know the basic grammar, so that's why I'm able to speak, I'm able to make sentences, I'm able to make that sentences in front of you, right? So little bit grammar you should know, and after if you're watching, so that's how you can also learn in this language, because foreigner people, they cannot start this language by telling their children's making the sentence structures. They're just learning this language by listening to their parents. So that's how we can also say that by listening we can learn this language. But yeah, if you are in Indian, so you this is not your mother tongue, so you just need to learn the basic grammars, right? And after that you can be perfect in that language.
Yes, yes, you are right. The basic English grammar is important for speaking English. If you have a knowledge of basic grammar, you can start your
Hmm.
English journey. And basic knowledge actually English grammar is the backbone of English language. Yeah, and the English grammar is
Yeah.
also important. But and in our locality, in our country, there is no good English environment. Yeah, that's why also basic English grammar is important. Yeah. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. Right now, also you are learning this language for a long time, about 1 year, and I noticed that many learner who are learning this language for a long time, right now also they are learning this language as well as also they are learning another accent, American accent, British accent. And right now, do you practice this type of accent?
First of all, I want to be a fluent this language, and after that, I can try to shift it in accent way. But until I'm not speak this language in fluent, so how can I shift it my career to be fluent? But yeah, I just wanted to be fluent speaker. Yeah. So now this is my target.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
And what kind of method do you follow for improving your vocabulary skill? Vocabulary is also important for speaking English. Yeah, but what kind of method do you follow for improving your vocabulary skill?
Vocabulary nowadays, if whatever it is necessary vocabulary in whatever I'm doing, and it is necessary, it is coming in our daily situation, so at that time I remind that vocabulary. Otherwise, it is if it is not coming in my regular sentences structure, so right now I'm ignoring. But yeah, uh, right now I'm not focusing on my vocabulary part also, because whatever it is mandatory, then I will start learning this language, start learning vocabulary.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Hmm.
All right, ma'am, it was nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are
Thank
talking
you.
about Indian needs. You are also speaking English very well. I have learned a lot of things from you. Yeah. All right, ma'am.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shantanu. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.